There's a bird, so I will have it. What's a heavy 767?
Airline 30, American.
Delta 1510 heavy. Quebec 2 if you have it, and then join taxiway Quebec to the ramp. Contact 127.5.
Quebec 2, Quebec, and taxi the ramp 127.5, Delta 1510 heavy.
Mike 743, 2183.
Guy 8106, heavy traffic holding the position departing west, downfield, cross, 26 left at the approach, short of Lima for 1 more arrival on a cross right to left. Upfield, somewhere left and on for Lima to their turn left, Lima 3, hold short, runway 26 left. Lima 3, hold short, 26 left, and then 1640.
Franco 4400 Miami, 13304, runway 30, clear to land.
We're clear to land, runway 30, Franklin at 4100.
Crossing downfield, additionally in position, cross 26 left, up to opening.
Cross 26 left and 0.8, 1 round, up at 64.